In the heart of a peaceful village, a couple is building their dream home, a beautiful bamboo duplex surrounded by nature. On this day, the wife walks into their garden to gather fresh vegetables for a special recipe. But suddenly, her attention is drawn to a soft, desperate cry. She discovers a small calf, injured and weak, struggling to stand. Without wasting a moment, she calls her husband. He quickly arrives with a cart, and together, they gently rescue the helpless animal. Bringing it back home, they begin to care for and treat its injuries. As the husband looks after the calf, the wife quietly returns to the kitchen, beginning her cooking, balancing compassion and daily life in a moment full of humanity. After preparing all the spices and vegetables, they finally begin cooking. First, they take some rice, wash it thoroughly with water, and then cook it with the right amount of water. After cooking the rice, they place another pot on the stove, add oil, then put in the vegetables and spices, and cook the meat curry. As the husband focuses on building their dream bamboo home, working carefully with each piece, the wife prepares a rich spice mixture in a large dish, blending chili powder, turmeric, and salt into a flavorful paste. Soon, they come together, coating the leg pieces with the spices, ensuring every part is well seasoned. With everything ready, they prepare to fry the meat, turning it into a delicious and crispy dish. After finishing the cooking, they arrange the food nicely, and the husband and wife eat first. Later, some relatives arrive at their home, and they share the food with them. Everyone enjoys the meal together. After the meal, they walk over to check on the little calf. To their relief, it is almost fully recovered, gently eating and regaining its strength. With smiles on their faces, the husband and wife return to their bamboo duplex home, their dream taking shape, and finally take a moment to rest, surrounded by peace and quiet.